This is a short video on how to use AutoGate Inventory application for transferring parts between warehouses. We're gonna use the second option on this menu to transfer parts between warehouses. So we're gonna go into transfer option. We are taken to this screen. On this screen, the first thing we want to do is select the warehouses from and to that we're going to be moving this part. So first, from warehouse. At the bottom of the screen you can see it says from warehouse, and you see we have here a drop down menu so that we can select which warehouse is the one that we're going to be taking the part from. I'm going to be using Redwood City for this example, and then we want to select to which warehouse are we going to be moving the part to. So let's say just truck 51, just for testing. Okay, the next step is that now we can scan the part that we're going to be moving. For that, we're going to use the button at the top of the screen. Just point at the barcode that you want to scan and then select that barcode. When you do that, the barcode is red and the information of the part is shown on the screen. You can see now we have that the part name number is 8111, etc. Then we have the description of the part below that, and we have a quantity field that we can use to say how many parts we're going to be moving. So for this, I'm just going to say 3 parts. We also have a notes box in case you want to add notes to this transaction. Maybe why are we taking parts from this warehouse and moving into this other one. So just anything you want to say here. And then that's it. Then we can save these transactions so that the part is moved from A&D warehouse from Redwood City to the truck number 51. We can use the buttons at the bottom, for saving. There's one called Save and Return to Menu, and there's another one called Save and Add Another Transfer. In this case, I'm going to be using Save and Add Another Transfer. What this does is that it saves this transaction and it allows you to move another part between these warehouses. So let's say I'm going to be moving first this waterproof push button parts between these warehouses, but then I want to move another part between the same warehouses. So when I select save and make another transaction, the camera is shown again. So I can select another barcode, I can scan the barcode. It says now this is a 12-volt battery, and I can say I'm gonna be moving 6 of this, and you see the warehouse is still the same. We're moving from Redwood City and moving into the 51 truck. So you can do the same, just as many times as you need for as many parts as you want. Just scan the new barcode and specify how many and save. And then once you're finished of moving all the parts, you can just select save and return to menu if you want. And that's it. We just moved 3 parts from Redwood City to the truck. Now I'm going to show you what happens if you scan a part that it is not on the warehouse that you said you're going to be taking it from. The application shows a message that says that didn't find matching part for, and it gives you the barcode number. What this means is that the part you just scanned is not on the warehouse that you said it is. So that part that I just scanned is not on the AD Tracy warehouse. So make sure that you're selecting the correct warehouse so that the information is pulled correctly.